Doing? What's that kitty doing? Kitty bad. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, kitty hit you. Kitty hit you. Kitty go rear rear. Say hi, kitty. Say hi, Moo Moo. Hi, Moo Moo. Larry, Moo Moo hit you in the head. What Moo Moo doing? What's that kitty do? What did he do? Huh? What did that kitty do? Kitty has no nails, Bryce. It's okay. You want to play with Kitty? I don't think Kitty wants to play with you. Look at Kitty's face. He doesn't look too happy. You done with Kitty? I don't blame you. Oh, look at Bryce. And look at Kitty. What do you say, Larry? Hello? Hi! Hi, there goes Kitty. You're not thinking of going after Moo Moo, are you?